Are you struggling to get results from live streaming? If that's the case, you are not alone. So many business owners go live, but they struggle to see sales, engagement, or growth. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 essential live streaming tips that's going to help you attract more customers, increase your engagement, and help to make your business and your brand stand out. So stay with me until the end, where I'm going to be sharing with you my top strategy that's going to make sure that your lives lead to actual results. Before I get into the tips, let's talk about why live video is such a powerful tool for business owners. Live streaming helps you to connect with your audience in real time whilst building that all-important trust and increasing brand awareness. Unlike pre-recorded content, live video creates an interactive experience which makes your audience feel more involved and engaged. And the best part of it is that you can use live video to drive traffic, generate leads, and make more sales without feeling pushy. So if you are ready to start using live video more strategically, let's get into tip number 1. Planning your lives in advance. The biggest mistake I see business owners make with live streaming is going live without a plan. You need to have a clear structure, otherwise your audience will drop off. So here is what I recommend. Start with a strong hook that grabs attention immediately. Outline your key talking points to help you stay on track, and decide on a call to action before you go live. What action do you want your audience to take next? When you plan in advance, you will sound more confident and stay focused, which keeps your audience engaged for a lot longer. Tip number 2, use a strong hook to retain your viewers. Did you know that most viewers will decide within the first 3 seconds whether or not they're going to continue to watch your live stream or whether they're going to just scroll away? This is why your hook is everything. Instead of starting with, "Hey everyone, how are you?" start with a compelling question or bold statement to make people stop and watch. So here are some examples. Are you making these mistakes when you go live? I just discovered the best strategy to get more views on live streams, and I'm sharing it with you today. If you're not using live video, you are leaving money on the table. So make sure that your first sentence makes people curious, interested, or excited to watch and learn more. Tip number 3, engage your audience throughout. Live video is not a monologue, it's a conversation. If you want people to stay on your live for longer, engage with them, and here's how you do it. Ask people simple questions from the start, i.e., where are you watching from? Encourage interaction by saying things like, "If this is making sense, drop a yes in the chat." It's as simple as that. And call people out by name where possible. For example, "Sarah, I see your comment in the chat. Great question." The more interactive your live is, the more people will stick around and feel connected to you and your brand. Tip number 4, multi-stream for maximum visibility. Instead of going live on just one platform, why not multi-stream across platforms at the same time? This is going to help you to reach a bigger audience whilst giving you the opportunity to repurpose your content effectively. Here's what you need to do. Use tools like StreamYard or Restream to broadcast to TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook all simultaneously. Promote your live streams ahead of time so that your audience know when and where to show up. And engage with your viewers across the different platforms by addressing them by their name and responding to their comments. Multi-streaming helps you to maximize your efforts whilst saving time, allowing you to be visible across multiple platforms all at once. Tip number 5, always end with a call to action. Never end your live streams without telling your audience what to do next. A strong CTA keeps the momentum going and guides your audience towards the next step. Here are some examples of effective CTAs. If you have found this helpful, why not grab my free live video checklist, which is linked in the description. Want more live video strategies? Join my community where I share exclusive live stream tips. Let's continue the conversation in the comments. Tell me, what is your biggest challenge with live video? By giving your audience clear instructions, you are making it easy for them to stay engaged with you beyond the live stream. So there you have it, 5 powerful live streaming tips to help you grow your business with live video. I want to know which of the tips was most helpful for you. Let me know in the comments. And remember, if you want more support with your live video strategy, there are a number of resources waiting for you linked in the description below to help take your live video strategy to the next level. And whilst you're at it, my friends, be sure to click onto this playlist, which is all about live streaming tips for beginners. And I will see you on the next video.